These are visuals that's coming in from the Ram Leela Maidan, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi and BJP President Amit Shah have arrived for the BJP National Council meet. This is going to be a crucial meet where the BJP is coming together to strategize for the 2019 elections. It sees, of course, the attendance of the top leadership of the BJP, including Prime Minister Modi and Amit Shah. We understand that several resolutions will also be passed by the BJP leadership in this particular meet, where the entire party comes together. We understand nearly over 10,000 BJP workers will be there for this particular meet. Aishwarya Kapoor, our political editor, is joining us on the phone line. Aishwarya, we're beaming these visuals of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Amit Shah making their way in for the BJP National Council meet. Give us a sense of what's on the agenda.
Well, absolutely. 16,000 plus BJP cadre present right here at Ram Leela Maidan, here at the national capital. This is the last BJP convention, the BJP council meet, which you will have right to the 2019 general elections. So every speech, every comment, every word which comes out of the leaders here is going to be very significant and important and very closely monitored by the 16,000 plus cadre of the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is present there. Once again, keeping in mind, this is right prior to 2019 general elections. There's the speech of the BJP National President, speech of the Prime Minister, and the three resolutions which are going to be brought in are going to be very, very significant. We are being told that the political resolution which is going to be brought in by the BJP National General Secretary Dharmendra, beg your pardon, Bhupendra Yadav, and then the other resolution being brought in by Senior Minister Prakash Javadekar today are going to be very, very significant. As we've been saying, BJP understands that 2019 is a fight not against Congress, but against a plethora of regional parties, and that's exactly why they are churning out at a different level. Their strategy this time around is different, but the tagline is very clear: Ab ki baar, ek baar phir Modi Sarkar. So this is the tagline that once again it's a Modi government. So that's what BJP is, the BJP leadership, which is present on the dais, whether it's the national president, the Prime Minister, top leaders, including that of Rajnath Singh, Arun Jaitley, Nitin Gadkari. The message is that ek baar phir Modi Sarkar. So they are pushing once again Prime Minister Modi's face and the strategy of the BJP national president, because these are the two faces whom you see on the dais, and these are the two people on whom the complete BJP leadership is dependent if they need to once again come back to power in 2019. And this is something which is very, very clear in the mind of every BJP party cadre who is present here, that they know it's only the face and it's only the work done by the Prime Minister in the government ever since 2014, with which they are going to the people, and it's the strategy of Amit Shah with which they will try to defeat this alliance which is coming out in play of these regional parties. It is not only BSP alliance which is formulating tomorrow, it is also a Mahagathbandhan which they call as which they are calling as a Thakbandhan, which is that a jointment of all the thieves coming together. So this is something.
And yes, Aishwarya, let's just dip into what's happening there. We just had a flag hoisting with the likes of LK Advani and the senior leaders of the BJP alongside Prime Minister Modi and Amit Shah. Let's cut across to those live visuals.
सभी पदाधिकारी अपने स्थान पर आ जाएंगे तुरंत, और पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड के सदस्य आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी और राष्ट्राध्यक्ष जी के साथ यहां पर दीप प्रज्वलन के लिए खड़े रहेंगे। सभी पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड के सदस्य, शिवराज जी, सभी पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड के सभी सम्मान्य सदस्य आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी और राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी के साथ दीप प्रज्वलन के लिए खड़े रहेंगे। राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी, आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का मैं स्वागत करता हूं इस राष्ट्रीय अधिवेशन में, और सभी लोग खड़े होकर के ताली बजाते हुए एक बार जोरदार बोलो भारत माता की। और सभी पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड के सदस्य आदरणीय आडवाणी जी, आदरणीय जोशी जी से मैं निवेदन करता हूं, आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी और राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष अमित शाह जी के साथ इस राष्ट्रीय अधिवेशन का दीप प्रज्वलन करते हुए औपचारिक उद्घाटन करेंगे।